Yeah. Now, today we are going to start with data representation. Data represent. What is data representation? Why data representation is required? What is data representation? Here, as I told you, whenever your machine want to work with electronic devices, it requires input. Based on your input, that data will be evaluated by your processor and it is going to produce as a output. But how, what way you are representing data is very important for the digital computer. So the representation of data, we have different categories. In this, we are going to learn data types, and different data types are there. Data types means, any programming language, if you are going to understand, you want to process the data through this program, you should read the data from the end user. Yes or no? For reading of the data is having different categories. For example, if you take C programming, the different categories of the data is there. Either integer, float, char. Why you are giving this data type in a programming language? Your compiler should understand very easily. Why? For example, in a C programming, if you write int a, what compiler is going to understand? Why these data types actually? To minimization of your compiler work. Yes or no? How? For example, if you write int a, then tell me how your compiler is going to understand. What your compiler is going to understand? Then your compiler is going to request to the operating system. Are you clear? To the operating system, 4 bytes of memory is required, and which is going to consider only integer data. This is the data structure, defined data structure. Yes or no? Because the structure is very clear. Your compiler is requesting operating system. The data capacity is 4 bytes, and that should be store only integer data. So that whenever you are going to give 4.532 as an input for A, why you are minimizing your compiler job? Are you clear? If you are going to give like that, if you are going to give your A, integer A only consider 4, because your structure is like that. That is the representation. Are you following? Are you following? So, same way, if you go to Python, the Python is having separate compiler. Yes or no? Same compiler you are using? No. Python is having separate compiler. What is going to happen? You are not going to specify any data type externally. What you are going to write? If you write A equal to 2.56, then your Python compiler is going to understand how A is a float, default. That is next level compiler. Are you clear? But finally, compiler understanding it is a float and requesting to operating system, because operating system job is to assign the memory for the variables. Are you clear? Compiler is not going to assign. Compiler is going to understand your instruction. So that instruction, what it is required, compiler will communicate it to operating system. Operating system is trying to provide all the resources to perform your task successfully with the help of primary memory through the processor. After execution, again it is going to produce output through the internal memory, produces to output devices. Are you clear? This is the process continuously. It will be happen. If you write the same, after some time I will write a equal to 10. Then a is now. Are you clear? So this is Python. But finally compiler should communicate. Yes or no? So because of the data types, the writing of the program is very easy. For the compiler, understanding of the compiler is very easy. What input you are giving to the machine. Are you clear? So in the same way, here we are going to represent our data to the machine in a digital computer. So we need a data types and representations. So in the next classes, we are going to learn different data types as well as different representations. Write down. In digital systems, information in digital systems, information inside of the parenthesis, numbers, characters, and control signals. This is information, right? And control signal. This is the information, right? Either numbers or characters you are giving, or sometimes you are giving control signals. What is that? You want to restart, you want to delete, you want to shut down, yes or no? You want to perform some other operation. All these are control signals. Close the parenthesis. In digital systems, information like that is represented internally, using binary digits. What are those binary digits? Zeros and ones. No, digits. Zeros and ones. If you want, you can write the parenthesis. Binary digits. Zeros and ones. Depending on the application, ranging from simple integer arithmetic to complex fractional processing. Depending on the application, ranging from simple integer arithmetic to complex fractional processing. Means we have done integer arithmetic means addition of the binary numbers. Yes or no? Subtraction of the binary numbers. When you are subtracting, what we have done? You are applied again addition only. That negative number, what we have done? Applying of the 2's complement. Again we have done addition. Are you clear? In this process also, we are using representation and fraction part. What is the fraction part? After dot, whatever the number. Are you clear? 23.45. How to do? For example, you want to convert 22.52. It is a decimal or not? How to convert into binary? Tell me. How to convert into a binary? How to convert into a binary? How to do? For 22 is a integer. We have done. Tell me. 2. So remainder 0. 2. Remainder 1. 2. Remainder 1. Remainder. Yeah, this is one procedure. I will show you one more procedure. Easiest procedure also. I told you this procedure. One more procedure also. Any number, if you wanted to convert, understand in a binary format, you should write 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. Means 7-digit length. Okay. Then what is the number? 22. Yes or no? Then how to do 22? 2 powers. Sir, nearest 2 power. What is the nearest 2 power? 16. What is the power of 16? 2 power 4. You fix 1 year. Are you following? Then 16. Remaining how much? 6. Nearest 2's power. 2 power means 4. Remaining how much? 2. Then what will happen? 2 power 2, 2 power 1. Means 2 power 2, 2 power 1. Then make it 0. Are you clear? Any number you can do it. Yeah, this is 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Just check. So this is the easiest way you can do it. Yeah, this is, finally, the solution is same. Are you following? Because it is a binary number. Yes or no? So what is the 22 number now? 1 0 1 1 0. After fraction 52. How to do? 0.52 into, tell me, 2. Yes or no? What is the value? 1.04. Then this one you take. Are you clear? Then into 2. Are you following? Next. What is the 2? 0.080. Then 0.16. This values you should consider. Understand? Next. Next, tell me how much? 0.32. Are you following? Next, tell me. 0.64. Next. 1.28. Next. Until it should come 0.00. You should do it. Are you following? So now dot, what you need to write? Now top to bottom is right. 1 0 0 0 1. Whatever you come. This is a binary number for the given decimal number. We have done this. Again, I am giving example. Are you clear? This is the representation. Following? So, what is the definition? We have stopped. Yes. Complex, simple integer numbers. How to do, you know. And complex fractional numbers. Are you following? Simple integer arithmetic to complex fractional processing. Different data representation schemes are possible. Different data representation schemes are possible. So the different data schemes and